All right, this segment is sponsored by Trey Harrell Law, and it's another edition of Trey Helps. Attorney Trey Harrell joins us with more. Good to see you.
Good to
What's
see
up,
you.
Man?
Good to see you. Yeah.
Happy summer.
Happy summer. You know, dealing with kids and all that.
We were just saying, like crazy with the kids, but you bring us always like sometimes interesting nuggets and tidbits. And I remember last week you mentioned this fun fact that driving in the left lane was
illegal in the state of South Carolina.
Not just like we know you shouldn't do it, like illegal.
Illegal. $25 fine.
Really?
Yeah.
So do you have any other like surprising South Carolina driving laws that people would be surprised at?
Here's one that is legal in the state of South Carolina, but illegal in New Jersey and Hawaii. It is legal to drive with your dog on your lap in the state of South Carolina, but illegal in others. But I will tell you, if you get in a wreck because of the dog being in your lap, it's distracted driving.
Right.
So it's technically legal, but there's something there.
Be a problem.
There's a problem. Just like in the state of South Carolina, you can drive with headphones in.
I see. I'm glad I know that because I do that, like listening to audiobooks, and my husband's like, "That's illegal. You can't do that."
But if you get in an accident or a cop sees it, he can write you a ticket for distracted driving.
Hear. What is the difference with it in a headphone? If I'm listening to an audiobook and it's in my headphones versus over the speaker, what's the difference?
I mean, under the law in South Carolina, well, you could be distracted by your phone and your GPS on your phone, but it's not illegal to put your GPS to utilize your GPS. But if you're looking at your GPS and you hit somebody and they see it, that's distracted driving.
But I'm still okay legally to do that.
Based on the statute. I do not recommend it. Let me very disclaimer, I do not recommend it at all.
No AirPods for my audiobooks, just have them play over the speaker.
Just play over the speakers. And everybody else will get educated.
Yeah, but when you have kids in the car, they don't want to hear what I'm listening to.
Well, they should. Back in our day, we had to listen to what our parents.
That's true. We also had to get up to change the channel on the TV.
We're dating ourselves there.
All right. A few common mistakes that might not be criminal. I think we already touched on some of them, but might hurt you if there's an accident claim later on.
Yeah, the dog in your lap or your headphones
don't do that,
But also something that really harms claims is posting on social media. And I'm not the usual what every lawyer says, don't post your accident on social media. What happens is we've got these great Facebook pages that are, we've got one for our neighborhood. I'm sure you've got one for your neighborhood. When there's an accident around there and people post about it, don't get on there and explain the story. We've had that happen multiple times where the at-fault driver got on there and explained the story. And then we were able to utilize what they did in a deposition and be like, you said this here, but now you're saying this
on the
there.
Facebook page.
So so be careful with how you put things on the
zip it.
Yeah, just zip it.
Yeah.
But here's the thing: wait to post until after we've handled your case, and then post everything. Tell them we did a good job, or tell them we did a bad job.
Leave the review first. Leave a 5-star review.
Yeah, leave a 5-star review, but wait till after you get your check to post.
I mean, that makes sense. Common sense.
Common sense.
All right. Your Uber vouchers, always a huge hit. When are you doing your next one?
We've got one for Juneteenth for Thursday.
Oh, great. Okay.
Yeah, so it'll go on for all the weekend. You can go to Trey Helps You Uber right now, TreyHelpsYouUber.com right now, and get it and get the voucher. You know how easy it is to get it.
Super easy.
To the phone. And I'll tell you, we do them all the time, right? And so there's a lot of times you might not realize, like we did them for the Stingrays, a lot of people didn't realize. And so if you just think you might need an Uber, go to TreyHelpsYouUber.com and see if we got one running.
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, it's certainly easier than parking.
Yeah.
You're not going to drink.
It's worth a shot. Don't ask, you don't get, right? So see if there's one out there.
Out of all the ones that you do, you mentioned Stingrays, Juneteenth this Thursday, which is fantastic. What is like your favorite summer holiday to release those vouchers?
I'm gonna people expect me to say 4th of July, I know, right? No. First Saturday of college football. That's my favorite. By far. I know that's not your typical summer holiday, but
that's not even on my radar.
But in my house, in my office, we only have 4 seasons. We have winter, spring, summer, and college football.
Gotcha.
So that's what it's going to be. I'm thinking this year we're going to do $17.14.
Nice.
Everybody's like, why is that? Because that's how Clemson lost to South Carolina.
I was going to say go Tigers, but then you might lash out at me.
No, I'm just kidding. It's the usual, it's $10, but I will say, if you need an Uber voucher, go to TreyHelpsYouUber.com now and snag it for the weekend. Be safe, don't do anything stupid.
Well, you haven't released the 4th of July ones yet.
We haven't released the 4th of July ones, and we've discussed, I think we're going to do $17.76, because
That's
it's 4th of July.
I mean, that's a hefty Uber ride. That's good.
So yeah, I mean, you gotta stay safe. So we're gonna do what we can.
All right, always good to see you.
Good to see you.
Thank you so much. I learned no more AirPods.
No more AirPods. Yeah. Or dog in the lap.
I don't do that. They're too big.
Well, there you go.
We're gonna take a break. We've got more Lowcountry Live right after this.